Hello traders, welcome to my channel AM Trading Tips, your ultimate destination for smart trading tools and strategies. Today, I'll share you to a powerful expert advisor for MT4 that automates trades, manages risk, and aims for consistent profits. No need to sit in front of the charts all day, this EA does the work for you. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. Forex trading involves financial risk, and you can lose money. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always trade responsibly and only use funds you can afford to lose. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on more trading tools and strategies. Now, let's dive in. This EA is designed for fully automated Forex trading on the MetaTrader 4 platform. It follows a preset strategy, analyzes market conditions, and places trades automatically. Key features: no need for manual trades. It enters and exits trades for you. Comes with automatic stop loss and take profit. Stable performance. Backtesting shows consistent growth over time. Customizable settings. Adjust lot sizes, trading hours, and stop loss and take profit levels to match your risk appetite. Today, we're backtesting this EA on the Euro-USD pair using the 15 minutes time frame. Let's see if this expert advisor is actually profitable. We ran this EA on a backtest from February 1st, 2024 to February 23rd, 2025 with an initial deposit of $500. Let's check the results. We ran this EA for over a year of historical data to see how it performs in different market conditions. Is it a winner or just another hyped-up bot? Let's check the stats. Here's how the EA performed. Total profit, $256.58. Win rate, 71.27%. Profit factor, 1.64. For every $1 risked, it made $1.64. Max drawdown, 11.59%. Low risk and capital protected. What does this mean? The EA is profitable and manages risk well. It has a solid win rate with controlled losses. No major drawdowns, meaning steady and safe growth. What's good? The balance curve shows a steady upward trend. 11.59% max drawdown means your capital stays safe. No manual trading needed. Just set it and let it run. What can be improved? Risk-reward ratio needs tweaking. Average loss, $3.81, is bigger than average win, $2.51. Solution: adjust stop loss and take profit settings for better trade management. Small dips in the balance curve could be improved with optimized risk settings. Yes, if you're looking for an EA that provides slow and steady profits with low risk, this is a great option. With some optimizations, it could perform even better. Want to test it out? The download link is in the video description. But start with a demo account first before using real money. Important trading tips. Always test any EA in a demo account before using it on a live account. Adjust the risk settings according to your comfort level. Stay disciplined and stick to your strategy. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video. Subscribe to my channel for more trading tools and strategies. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, share this video with your trading community so we can all grow together. What do you think about this EA? Have you tried any auto trading bots before? Let me know in the comments below. Remember, trading is a journey. Wins and losses are all part of the game. Stay patient, stay focused, and keep learning. Thanks for watching, traders. I'll see you in the next video with more trading tips, strategies, and tools. Until then, stay disciplined and trade smart.